to David and Tina's very first
Harvest Host. We're here at Trombley Gardens in Milford, New Hampshire, and we're excited to show you this little farm we're on.
We're gonna go check out the farm, and we'll take you with us. Let's go. So this Harvest Host does allow you to put your slides out and run your generator, which right now we're doing it just to cool down the rig. Yeah, a little bit warm today, warmer than I thought it would be.
Yeah, we left the 50s and 60s
Yeah.
to now 80s.
It's in the 80s, just a few short hours from Maine. But we'll probably end up shutting it off overnight. Opening the windows up maybe, we'll see. It's very breezy. Now, I'll tell you where they park us. You will get the evening shade. So you can pretty much rest assured that the sun goes down on you and it will cool off. All right, so I'm not so sure about that. That might be kind of scary. The dark woods. I think it's corn maze.
I think that's right.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna check out the store. Maybe go check out the farm. Tina said she wants to pet some goats or something.
Hi, we're here with Alicia at Trombley Gardens, and she's been so kind to talk to us about how they got started in Harvest Host.
So we're here in Milford, New Hampshire, Trombley Gardens. It's a 75-year-old farm. Family's been farming since the grandfather, so it's fourth generation. And you can tell by the video that we offer quite a lot. We have a full bakery, full kitchen. We grow our own beef, pork, and lamb. We grow our own vegetables, and we make our own to-go meals and breads and all the good stuff. And homemade ice cream as well, that's behind me. And then we also have plenty of room to roam, so if you have kids and you want to come here with your RV, there's lots of trails to walk on, animals, lots of trails. We're pretty chill here. We can handle big rigs, little rigs, and we enjoy Harvest Host and love hearing the stories of all your travels and why you do it.
Yeah, I can tell you right now, if I had smell-o-vision on this camera, they're making homemade chicken pot pies for dinner, and that's what for dinner for this girl. So I do know on the property they have, it's fall, so it's October.
Yes.
So you have a corn maze.
Corn maze, hayride, pick your own pumpkins, cow train, meet the animals, all the fall feels.
We're looking forward to showing, all of our RVers, all of our subscribers, and anybody out there. We're, very excited about sharing this Trombley Gardens.
Well, welcome to your first voyage of Harvest Host. I'm glad you found us.
All right, thank you so much for your time. All right.
Bye.
Harvest Host is a membership program that lets RV travelers stay overnight at unique places like farms, wineries, breweries, and museums. In return, all they ask is you support their local business by shopping, dining, or making a purchase.
Oh my goodness. They're cooking chicken pot pies in here, and it smells absolutely wonderful. That's what's for dinner, chicken pot pies. Warning. Looky here. Look at these babies.
What?
You want to pick a pumpkin?
Well,
Pick your own pumpkin. Let's do it.
but you have to pick one you can carry home.
So when you're picking a pumpkin, do you like a tall stem, a curvy stem? What's your choice? Look at this one. Wow, this one's got a nice stem on it. Like it. You see one, David, that you may like?
No, I'm letting you pick it out. You're the pumpkin expert.
That I'm not. But that one's pretty.
Well, you're pumpkin spice, pumpkin pie, pumpkin this, pumpkin that.
I know.
So,
I want something with a pretty stem. Something not too big because we got to carry it home. So.
we used to do that to the girls when they were little. They'd say, I can get any size pumpkin you want, but you have to carry it. Now I'm telling Tina to do the same.
I think I found it. Oh. It's big. We'll have to put it in. We'll have to put it in the truck. So.
Where in the truck?
I don't know where.
I know where. The passenger seat. And you can stay in the bedroom and see what the ride's like.
So basically, we really have no place to put it. So.
Oh, no, I'm sure we could probably put it in the bed of the truck and I can secure it.
Yeah, well, I'll just get a little one to take home.
Well, there's two right here that's on the side of the road.
Yeah. I'll just get a little one. All right, well, we'll get a little one to take home. Where do you see it?
I'm just pointing. You're the pumpkin expert. Some of them still on the vine.
Nope, I'm not taking that one.
There's so many to choose from, Tina. It's decisions, decisions,
I know,
decisions.
there is a lot of decision making here.
Remember that squirrel?
Yeah.
Almost didn't make it because he was indecisive.
I know. Well,
He did make it though. We made sure he wasn't like in the treads of the tire.
Yeah. I'd love to take one of these big pumpkins home, but I better wait till I get home, closer to home, to get a big pumpkin. So. Look.
I think that is the perfect pumpkin.
I do too.
All right.
The perfect size.
Yes, I think so too.
All right, we got it.
Okay, you gotta carry it.
I'm carrying it. I'm carrying it. This one's for Ivan. We'll take him a baby pumpkin bath.
So I don't know if we're gonna do the dark woods. Just this. The sign looks a little scary to me. Some pretty mums though, wow.
We're having the homemade chicken pot pie for dinner. I got some apple crisp to have with coffee in the morning and some pumpkins to take home. And of course I had to get some marinara pasta sauce. They make it homemade here.